Okay, we're going to show you some beautiful fabrics. Perfect for now. Just perfect. The colors, the textures, everything about it. I put them together to the way they blend. This is a cotton poly. Love the texture in this. It'd be great for a little cardigan. It is a stretch woven, a stretch in one direction. It's just pretty. Like I said, the texture is perfect for, it could be pants easily. It could be easily a pair of cargo pants. It's just wonderful. And then this plaid, you're going to see goes with it. This is a cotton poly. This is 100% cotton. Beautiful shirting. Same fabric on both sides. Be a great just little shirt for fall. And it blends beautifully with this. This is 100% linen. It is stretch in one direction. And you can see that little linen cast on the one side. And it's just a beautiful blend with this, but also with the solid. They just really, all of these just really, you'll find blend beautifully together. So this is like a khaki, is this color. And then we have cashmere, and it's 100%, it's black. It is stunning. I mean, I guess all cashmere is, but this is in particular, it's definitely a coating. It's perfect for a cape, a coat. It's warm. It's lovely. It really is beautiful. We do not have very much of it. Somebody said the other day they missed the other cashmere we put up. Don't wait on that. I think this is all the cashmere I've got left. So this is beautiful. This is a ribbed cotton poly. It's, boy, it's just a fun piece. Comfortable. It has stretch in one direction. It's, like I said, a cotton poly. It has beautiful, I don't know if you can see all the little colors in there, a lavender, but all of these other colors in there are all the colors that I pulled for you. So for instance, this goes beautiful together, this khaki. The plaid goes, and if you look at the cream just makes it pop. It really lightens it up. So I put in colors that are just really pretty together. This is really an unusual piece. This is actually a scuba, but this is a faux short-haired fur. It's so unusual. It's so beautiful. It'd be perfect in a vest, a long vest, no sleeves, but the warmth would be there because it's a scuba, and I just love it. So you can see it's scuba on one side. You'd only want to use one side, but that vest would be stunning, and it's a faux fur. Anyway, beautiful stuff. Happy sewing, I know you will, from Silhouette Patterns.